Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM, and today I want to demonstrate you few important enhancements that we made in the last OpenBOM release related to export and import spreadsheets. So I will demonstrate it with a simple kit BOM that I created, which I will export to a spreadsheet. Pay attention, it has images and checkboxes and all possible information that I put here. So I export this to Excel, and now I will edit it in my Google Sheet. So let me pull this file to my Google Sheet, and I will getting this information, and I'm opening this file, and I will open it in Google Sheet, and I will save it in Google Sheet. So now we're getting this file, and I am save it as a Google Sheet. So it will be native Google Sheet now, which I will be actually editing, and I will change some of the values here, and I put true. Okay. So now we do have this spreadsheet in Google, and I would like actually to import this information to OpenBOM. So let's make a different number here, so we will be able to import it as a different bill of materials in OpenBOM. So I'm coming back to OpenBOM. Let's go to dashboard, import from spreadsheet. Now pay attention, we do have a new option, not only import from Excel but import from Google Sheet. And now I will filter for this one. So that's a file that I am importing now to OpenBOM. And here you go, the information came in OpenBOM, everything including images and updated checkboxes. So here's the conclusion. Enhanced OpenBOM export and import from spreadsheet supports you in different scenarios to exchange information in the Excel, and this is important as you start to replace Excel in a company and transform your processes from old-fashioned Excel to the full digital processes supported by OpenBOM. But to do it, you cannot do it in the single big step, so you need to do it gradually. In these gradual processes, update the exchange information between spreadsheets and OpenBOM is essential. So from now, you have more options to import and export data and exchange data between OpenBOM and your favorite Excel and Google spreadsheet. Have a good night and talk to you soon.